welcome back to my channel. I'm your host here, Gigi Faison, and in today's video I will be sharing with you how to create your in-home coffee station, coffee bar, hot cocoa, hot chocolate, whatever you want to call it, hot apple cider, whatever you want to use in your station. I'm going to share with you what I have done here at my home for station. But guys, you are going to get a bonus because today's video is part of a collaboration. But pause, go ahead, grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Sit back, relax, get yourself a snack because, as I stated, it is part of a collaboration. And guys, guess who it's hosted by? It is hosted by Kimberly Davis, a blessed home with Kimberly Davis. Now guys, if you're not following her channel will be in my description box below. But I'm gonna need you to go ahead and check her out because she shared with you some amazing home decor content. She takes us out shopping with her. She shares her shopping hauls. She shares her home, and it is amazing. It's so beautiful. And she and her husband are always doing some type of project around the home. And it's amazing. Teamwork makes the dream work. So make sure you check out Kimberly. Make sure you check out the playlist link of all of the other creators. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab myself a sip of my coffee. And guys, I know it probably look like cream and less coffee, but this is how I like it. I like that International Delight Creamer. And I use 3 to get this look here. Yes. And guys, it is so delicious. I don't use sugar. I only use the creamer. So, and I decided to add it into this beautiful little coffee cup here. And this is one that I picked up from Big Lots. And it states, "We wish you a Merry Christmas." So I take this time to wish you all a Merry Christmas. But let me get to share with you what I've done here at my station. I already have it set up. So this is just an idea as to what you two can do in your own home for the holidays. So stay tuned. So here in my station, we're going to start right here where I use these little cubby holes, and I just embellish it with some little accessories. And these are just some things that I've picked up from, let's see, maybe Target, Michael's, some things that I may have had in my stash already. The little trees that I have here, I just decided to just, and these are battery operated. So instead of standing them up, I decided to just lay them here in these little cubbies. And then take and just kind of spread the lights out. My little tree here, and it is so beautiful. I love a little bit of shine, shimmer and shine. And it says, "Have yourselves a Merry Christmas." So I have this here in the center where I've added these little popular little reindeers here, but isn't that cute? And I think I found this one at maybe Big Lot as well. And then in this little cubby, and this one is the same, I have Walking in a Winter Wonderland. So as we set up our station in the Winter Wonderland effect here, I'm going to bring you down and just share with you some of the things that I have in my space. So here guys, let me go ahead and share with you what I have done here at my station. Now up top, I use it for my extra dishes, whatever dish I choose to display. And this beautiful set here I have in, I also have one of those acrylic trees up top there. So then we're going to come down to where I have the station all set up. So I've decided to add a little pastry. Who don't love a little pastry with a cup of coffee or hot cocoa? We've got a little hot cocoa and mugs here. Now usually this station is all built out for the grandkids, but it's too early to put out all of their treats. So I did add into these little canisters that I picked up from Target with the little pom-poms on top. Added in the little ginger snap cookies, these little peppermint stirrers with the marshmallows in this one, and then just marshmallows and a little tongue there. And then over on this tray here, I've added in the hot cocoa, some little snacks or treats on the go out the door. My spiced Christmas chocolate with the marshmallows. And then this one is just the plain hot chocolate here. Added in a few peppermints and just created a little heart with this. And then we have some grapes, blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, plums, and bananas. All for a morning treat. And then there's my little snowman underneath here. And yes, it's one of those little serving trays. So I just added that platter on top of that greenery for that little snowy effect as the winter wonderland theme here at my station. So guys, please let me know what you think. Again, if you're new, I welcome you and I thank you for stopping by. If you want to be a part of this family, just make sure you hit that red subscribe button. Make sure you tap the notification bell twice. Make sure you check out the playlist link for the host and all of the other creators.